Next part is the elimination method. That is we are most using method. The elimination method is you have to remove one variable. Okay, so this is called the elimination method. Here the elimination method. So how do you do the elimination method? That time we are going to remove one variable. So you have to remove one unknown. So one unknown. As example, if you have x plus 2x plus y like that, and if you remove one unknown, that means you remove y, that time it is reduced to simple equation. It is only one variable equation, that means linear equation. Okay, so how do you do the elimination method? Before the elimination method, you have to idea the coefficient of given unknown. So coefficients of unknown. So if you don't know the coefficients of unknowns, so how do you identify the coefficients of unknown? Look at this. X plus 3y equal 2 and 3x plus 3y equal 5. In this case, what are the coefficients of x? Coefficients of x. What are the coefficients of x? So you can see here the front value we are taking as a coefficient. In here 1, here 3. So you can write the coefficients of x 1 and 3. What are the coefficients of when you are build the note, you have to write those things of y. So how do you identify the coefficients of y? 3 and 3. So both are same coefficient, no? Similar coefficient, 3, 3. The front value we are taking as a coefficients of given number. So I will explain another example. So check this one. Y plus 5x equal 10. 2y plus 3x equal y. So shall we check coefficients of y? So I'm going to talk about the coefficients. Here x and y coefficients, x coefficients. So can you write y coefficient 1 and 2? So I can write y coefficients are 1 and 2. What are the x coefficients? Easy. X coefficients 5 and 3. So you can write 5 and 3. So that is the very basic thing you have to know before you are going to work with the elimination method. You have to good idea about the coefficient. Okay, next one. So in this case we can remove, so you have to remember that part. So you have to find out unknown with similar coefficient. That means same coefficient. Similar coefficients, same coefficient can be removed. Okay, so you can remove similar coefficient unknown. So look at this. X plus 3y equal 5. 2x plus y equal 7. This one take as 1 and this one take as 2. X 3y 5. 2x plus y equal 7. So what are the, I will put 2 here. So you can see, if you consider x unknown, sorry, x unknown, if you consider x, what are the coefficient in x? 2 and 2. What are the coefficient in y? 3 and 1. So how do you check the coefficient? The front value. Then what is the unknown with the similar coefficient? X is the unknown with the similar coefficient. That means x can be removed. Have you got that one? Yes. Check next one. Another example. 5x plus y equal 3. 2x plus y equal 5. So what are the x coefficient? What are the x coefficient? 5 and 2. What are the y coefficients? 1, 1. Here x coefficient 5 and 2. Y coefficient 1, 1. If there are no value, that's mean 1. Then which one is the similar coefficient? Y is the similar coefficient. Then y can be removed. You can remove y. Okay, now if you have a knowledge about the unknown, you have to know which unknown can be removed. So unknown with the similar coefficient can be removed. So that time you have to identify which one with the similar coefficient. Next one. Okay, so next one here, you can go with this next one. uh, how do you remove the unknown with the similar coefficient? So you can do two methods. First one is addition. What is second one? Subtraction. So which time you are adding, which time you are subtracting? If the similar sign, similar coefficient, similar sign, that means same sign, similar sign. Or here unequal sign. So if it is similar sign, you can not addition, you have to do the similar sign, you have to do the subtraction. Same sign, you have to do the subtraction. So I will show how it's happen. Subtraction. If it is unequal sign, you can do the addition. It is addition. Okay, addition. As example, 2y plus 3x equal 5, 3y plus 3x equal 6. So shall we check our coefficient? What are the x coefficient? What are the y coefficients? These are the coefficients. Coefficients. So what are the x coefficient in here? X coefficient 3, 3. What are the y coefficient? 3, 2. So which one can be removed? X unknown can be removed. So how do you do that? You have to get the difference. 3 minus 3, you can see it comes 0. If you add this 2, it comes 6, no? If you add this 2, it comes 6. If you get the difference, this 2, that means subtraction. If it is similar sign, what you supposed to do? If it is similar sign, you have to do the subtraction. Okay, so shall we do another example here? This is take as first one and second one. So what are the coefficient of x? So we have to check first the coefficient of x. It is 2n minus 2. What are the coefficient of y? What are the coefficient of y? So here go with the coefficients of y. It is 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Now which one can be removed? Which one can be removed? Oh, 2. With 2 the x can be removed. So you can remove x. Coefficient, similar coefficient you can remove. What you have to do, addition or subtractions? There are two ways. So these are not same equal sign, same coefficient but not equal sign. So same coefficient, both having 2 2 but not equal sign. That time you have to do addition. You have to do the addition. Okay, your decision, you already have done your decision. Then what do you have to do in here? 1 plus 2. Then I will write 2x plus y plus 4y. You have to put the bracket here, that is better, equal 8 plus 2. Here you add right side to your first equation, left side, then add the left side to your second equation. This is the right side your first equation, left side your second equation. Then 2x plus y plus 4y, then minus 2x equal 10. Then I can remove 2x here. Here this can be removed. Then you can write 5x equal 5y equal 10. Then divide both sides by 5. You get y equal 2. So this is not end of your equation. Then you have to write y equal 2. You have to substitute in which one substitute. It is better to substitute in first one. You can substitute in first one. Y equal 2. You are going to substitute in first equation. So how do you do that? 2x plus y equal 8. It is 2x plus y equal 8. Then 2 into, what's the value of x? Not, you don't know x, but y equal 2 equal 8. 2x plus 2 minus 2 equal 8 minus 2. 2x equal 6. Now it is simple equation. Then divide by 2, x equal 3. Now you can see y equals 2, x equal 3. These are the answer for your equation. Okay.